everyone, Joanna here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 10 of our new challenge, 28 days to splits. Let's get started. Today I am increasing my weights. So I'm gonna grab one set of 3 kilo and one set of 2 kilo dumbbells. Starting again in the butterfly pose. Do a little poses here before we put the weights on. And now let's get started with the trees. And now slowly I'm gonna add my 2 kilos, but keep in mind, if you're not ready to increase your weights, don't do it. Follow your body, know what you can handle. This is your journey, it's not mine. Mine is here, yours is there. So follow and listen to your body. Okay, fold forward a little bit. Okay, nicely done. Moving to the next one. Again, I'm gonna use the second hole of my band. And here's your daily mantra. I love my body. 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 I love my body and all that it does for me. I love my body and all that it does for me. I love my body and all that it does for me. Try to move a little, your hips a little bit forward. And in. Okay, nicely done. And now the side laying stretch. So lay on your side. Place the band around your leg. Lay on your side, and now just pull your leg in. Keep pulling. Okay, switch. The other side, the other leg. Lay down and pull. Pull, pull, pull. A little more. And release. Nicely done. Today was day 10 and we did fantastic. Don't forget, repeat this 5-minute stretch once in your lunch break and once before bed if you want to have optimal results. And now here's your daily self-love assignment. Doodle, draw, or make art. Thank you so much for joining me. Can't wait to see you tomorrow.